Is that delicious? Is there something you want to sing?
Come on, winky dink.
Okay, go ahead and sing it.
Come on, winky dinky dink. Wait. I get this piece I got. Come on, winky dinky dink. Come winky doo. I love you. I love you little night. I love you in the evening. In the moon. Come on, winky dinky dink. Come on, winky doo. I love you.
Who are you singing to? Are you singing to the lights?
Yeah.
How about you sing to me?
Okay. I gotta sing to the lights. Winky dinky dink, winky doo. I love you. I love you little night. I love you in the evening underneath the moon. Winky dinky dink, winky doo. I love you.
That was really good. How about your Santa Claus is coming to town? Can you sing that one for me?
Yeah. Santa Claus, you better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming. Wait, I did do the quiet.
Okay, should we start at the beginning? You better watch out.
You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows where you're awake. He knows where you're better for gonna stay. Oh, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.
That was really good. So is Santa Claus coming soon?
Yes.
What's going to happen?
It snows.
We will have snow?
And there will be reindeers anyway.
There will be reindeer?
Yes.
What will the reindeer do?
I don't know.
You don't know? Do they pull Santa's sleigh so he can fly?
Uh-huh. Yep.
And then what happens?
He's come to our house.
Why would he come to our house?
Because he would.
Because he would?
Mm-hmm.
Has Ben told you that we have to leave cookies for Santa?
Mm-mm.
We have to leave cookies for Santa. How many cookies do you think we should leave?
1.
Only 1? How many presents do you think he will leave you?
5.
That's a lot of presents from Santa. Are you going to spy on Santa? Are you going to try to peek a look at Santa?
Mm-mm.
Mm-mm. That's not good, is it?
Someday with no, that's what will happen. That'd be elf taking us.
The elf will take you? How will the elf take you?
And have got Santa and back to the home.
Hold on, I can't understand. You have pizza in your mouth. Can you chew up your pizza? Chew with your mouth closed, please. Elliot. Okay, so now tell me about this elf. How is the elf going to take you if you sneak a look at Santa?
You take with me too, and he will see Santa and come see him back. The elf took him back to their homes.
Oh my goodness. So that's why we can't see Santa.
No.
No, we have to stay in our bed.
We'll try sneak.
Oh, if you try to sneak, won't the elf get you?
Yeah.
Yeah. You excited about Grandpa coming to visit?